We're just laying inside the shanty. I want to get us some for some nice sun right now. Beautiful weather. Gotta soak Mother Nature in while you can. I don't know what he's doing, but yeah, okay. We were also using like a red meat.
Man, they asked too many questions on here. It's annoying. Holy.
Man, it's not like you can just pay with straight cash anymore. Anyways, guys, what the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. We're with my cousin Tan right now. We're just filling up on some gas. Got my brother in the car. We're gonna go find some ice. I haven't been out in a long time. It's been a very tough season. This season has been almost just a write-off because it was like no ice whatsoever. Never got out to the bay. Never got any nice perch or anything yet. Mother Nature, please be with us. Anyways, like I said, we're going to be searching for any type of fish. I'm just itching to catch something. Or even itching just to even drop my line in the water. Bringing the shanty out. I was supposed to be meeting up with a couple of people out there, hopefully. We always run into some type of people. Anyways, guys, let's go on this adventure. Hi! Hi, Aham! Hi, Aham!
Hi, Pete.
Morning, brother.
It's the way.
Huh?
It's the way.
Hey, it's a sleigh, he said.
Morning, guys.
How you doing, bro?
Good morning, Sam. 10,000 hours. 10,000 hours. Sick, dude.
It is.
Oh, you should have picked the camera off that last song's gonna be stuck in my head. What, 10,000 hours? Yeah. It's just catchy.
Alright, guys.
White night last night? Yeah.
So, the team is back together, as you can see right now. We're squatting up. I'm about to set the shanty up right now.
That shit.
Don't know how the ice fish is gonna be. It looks like it's beautiful, and we're actually on some nice thick ice right now. About 4 or 5 inches. Alright, let's get this set up.
Oh, this is another nice one.
Hell yeah,
Bro! Look at the size of these girls again. Look at
Oh,
this.
they're pissing!
He is pissing. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Damn. I can't do nothing on the camera right now because AM's just destroying me.
I'm on your ass.
It's alright, man. We're just having a lot of fun. Guys, check that out. Look at the size of those gills, man.
Oh, that's a big one,
Look at
dude.
that. Huge. Fatties. Chunks.
Oh, that's a nice one.
That is a nice one. Nice fish, T. Can you see he's slaying gills right now? Oh, there's all kinds on there. There's tons of marks, eh?
Yeah. I go home. I gotta move here.
There we go. Fish on. Nice one, too.
Oh!
There you go, guys. Check that out. That's a monster gill.
You got one.
Everybody's got one, eh?
Except me.
Look at that, guys.
Oh, there you go.
Huge gill there.
Right.
Guys, check that out. Nice fatty. I'm trying to hold this by its lip.
Yeah, this is a sleigh.
Oh, yeah. Man, we're gonna have a nice, good fish fry together. Check that out, guys.
You guys think catch and cook?
You want to? We should do it sometime.
Oh! Another fish on there.
There you go.
Yes.
See, that's like the size of my hand right there. Put my hand right behind that and it fully covers that. Good 8-9 inch fish here.
These are all keepers. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
In like the 5 foot range. Right, Ham?
Yeah. Just spin it.
Look at the screen now. Holy cow. Here it goes. Here it comes. They're all from here.
Sometimes just lifting that bait up.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
There you go.
Fish on. Nice, another nice gill here. Right on the anal bead. Right there, guys. I'm gonna let this one go with a little smaller. I just want to keep the nice chunky ones today. Ooh, got fish! Oh yeah.
Damn, dog.
There you go, guys. Another fat gill. Just as laying today.
Well, just fly it first and then see if you want to buy a second battery later on.
No, I'm gonna buy one for sure. Oh! Damn, I was about to say! He flew right out of my hand, almost back into the hole. Here you go, guys. Oh! Oh! Bro! Man, look at the size of that gill. I'm slaying gills, but I can see it on my screen. That's why.
That don't even look like a gill anymore.
I know, it's so huge. That's a big old... Oh my god. Here we go. Fish on.
Damn,
Fat gill.
dog. Damn, dog.
Nice fat gills. Oh, he's got pricked by one. Might start bleeding. There you go. Fish on.
Huge one, B.
No. Nice little one again.
So big. You're a troll. Oh, fish on so big. Yes, sir.
Alright, guys. Perfect snack. That's what you want to bring on the ice here. Some kielbasa smoked sausage. Snyder's. Alright.
Yeah, I haven't seen
So right now we're taking a break. We're just slaying fish like crazy. I brought some kielbasa out for my boys and stuff like that. Got Tam back there just eating, grubbing away fishing. And get some snack in it. Gotta get some energy, fuel inside yourself. Mmm. Oh! Damn! Oh! Alright guys, just digging tungsten. And I'm catching this big fat big boy here. This monster. Beautiful coloration on that. Look at that. I like how it has the turquoise on it. Nice little orange fin right there. Beautiful fish. One of my favorite, prettiest fish on the water. Next to like a tiger muskie. Beautiful fish.
Warming it. You can feel the heat.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Damn, that's a big one.
Bro, they're all in here right now. Another nice fat gill there, guys. See, I'm just slaying them while everybody's still outside. There you go, another fat gill. This one's got like a problem with this fin up here, eh? See the dorsal fin there? Look at that. Something took a chunk out of it, or it's like got defected or something like that. It's got a problem with it, but it's a missing part of it there, you can see. There we go. Fish on. Little gill there. Gotta release this one. Give my bait back.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, it's a nice one. That's a nice one.
No.
Okay.
Oh, two. That's why.
Oh!
Double whammy.
Double! Tam with double gills there. That's so cool. That is so cool. Check that out, guys. I've never seen two gills on one line, but there you go.
2 girls, 1 cup.
Yep, that's what's happening right now.
You can die, dude. It's so warm you can die. There you go.
Right down.
Died on the ice from being too warm.
Yeah. All day.
All day.
Alright guys, that was fantastic. Just gonna end my day there. Probably be the last ice fishing video or ice outing that I have for this season. the season was like a total write-off. You know, it was very, very tough to get out, but I was actually glad that I got a couple times. Maximum ice, 4 inches. But today we did very well. Got some nice big old bluegills and sunfish. Check those out. Those are monsters. Huge. Big old ones. We were using tungsten, also using live bait. No, you can't beat that night crawler right now. We were also using like a red bead. We were just switching off anything. The bite was super, super hot. Anyways, guys, you know that walleye season is coming soon, and we're all itching for it. I'm itching for it also, so I'm gonna see you guys out there. Until next time, signing off.